Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today I found the coolest thing ever. They are the world's simplest row covers. So first I would like to say, oh my goodness, I've missed you guys. I've missed making videos. I have not gotten regular videos out lately because I have been helping to homeschool my niece. So videos have been hard for me to do at the same time as running a business and trying to homeschool. But we are getting on track, and this week I will have tons of videos for you guys that I'm excited to share with you. So if you guys haven't seen some of my past videos, I have been having a world of a time with something digging in my garden and eating all of my squash plants mainly, and my cherry tomato plants. And just kind of laying on plants and ruining them. So I've been trying to think of something that I could do, because I thought of maybe putting up a trap, but then I'm like, okay, what would I do with what it is that I caught? If I put it back on the mountain, it's just gonna come right back down to me, and I really don't want to kill anything. So I thought, what else can I do? I've been covering up all of the plants lately, and it's been helping. It's been keeping things out of the garden, but it's such a hassle to try and keep it really low and cover everything and then not really restrict the plants from growing. So this has been an issue. And the one thing that I thought of was, you know what, maybe I'll just get row cover, because it's still pretty hot in Arizona. Right now we have this like hazy day. I don't know if you guys notice that it looks really orange outside. It's because of all the fires that are in California, which we are praying for everybody out there. I hope everybody is safe and being able to be with their families, and hopefully everybody's properties and everything are okay. But it's been pretty hot lately. So, it cooled down, and then it gets back up to being hot during the day. So I still need the shade cloth. So I thought, instead of having row covers for just bug netting, why not have row covers to hold my shade cloth too as well? So that's where I got this. Long story short. So I got this kit on Amazon. I will post the link down below. It is going to be an affiliate link, so thank you for everybody that has supported our channel by buying things through our affiliate link. Every time you guys do that, then it does give us a piece of whatever that you purchase on Amazon, and that has been helping to us to be able to save money for our land that we plan on getting hopefully at the end of the year. So with the row cover, it comes with some assembly gloves, which is kind of cool. And it also comes with all of the poles, and it comes with some pole attachments, so to be able to make the poles attach together. And then it also comes with some brackets to be able to connect, like kind of make it more sturdy. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks, or how to put it together, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So it's too hot to wear gloves here in Arizona. I can't. Even though it's only like 90 something degrees out, which has been the coolest that it has been in a long time, it's still pretty hot. So all you do is you just take two poles and one of these little connectors in the baggie, and you just put them together. This is really simple, guys, and they just snap right in. And the nice part is that it's completely bendable, so you can make it really big. For my beds, I made these each 4 long, and then I just bended them, and then, or you can make it really small. So for my medicinal herb bed, I'm probably going to make it a little bit smaller, since those plants take longer to kind of grow out. The other thing you can do if you like, which I didn't do on all of them, is I put one of the little brackets. It's kind of like a T. Let's get it open. And basically it just makes the row more sturdy. So you just put it, snap it right here in the middle, and then you can connect the rows together, which is pretty cool. So the nice part about this is that I can now just lay the shade cloth over it, and it's going to give enough room for the plants to be able to grow, and it also is going to protect them from being so delicious and yummy to whatever little rodent is continuing to eat my squash plants. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I have them done 2 different ways, and I'll show you guys both. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the arches on the row covers, and then I have the pole that's right down the middle, and then all I do is I just lay this shade cloth over top of it, and it's pretty sturdy. I should have made it 1 longer, but I want to use as few poles as possible so that I have more places to cover. I bought 2 kits, but I still need a couple more poles, so I kind of stretched them out in order to extend to that one. But it's keeping everything down here nice and safe. So the other way I did it is, as you guys can see, where the green beans and this tomato plant is that they're the arches, and then this I'm actually putting another mighty crop on for this tomato, so it has a pole that is kind of in between, so it'll just go over the pole and then continue on to the other sides of the arches. So this has been a lot easier for me because this little rodent has driven me crazy, eating everything in my garden, or just digging it up. My tomato plants were completely destroyed because it just dug them up and was like, oh well, I'm not gonna eat them, just gonna dig them up. So these row covers are like godsend for me. So I hope that if you guys are having the same issues, or for me also, I'm going to be using these in the spring when my cabbage and my collards and my mustard greens and broccoli are all very yummy sizes. I'm going to cover those so that then that little white moth that flies around and lays those little caterpillars on them will not do that. So I think it's going to be able to be used in the summer and also in the fall and also in the spring. So for me, it's worthwhile. But I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out, if it's going to be something that can help your garden. I hope it helps your garden too as well. Don't forget guys, we have a giveaway coming up once we hit 2.5 subscribers. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also hit the big like button if you like it because it does help our channel out a lot. But thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you guys and gives you guys some ideas to better protect your garden from all the little critters that are looking for something yummy to eat, because you know they're hungry too. But until next time, grow yourselves a garden, because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye guys.